Tired of the blur of speed and the endless drone of traffic? If you're seeking adventure and a more intimate connection with the road, let's ditch those highways and discover the hidden gems with Google Maps. First, open your Google Maps app in the search bar at the top. Type in your desired destination. For this example, let's say we're planning a trip from downtown Los Angeles to Santa Monica. Once you've entered your destination, Google Maps will typically present you with the fastest route, which often involves highways. You'll see this route highlighted. Now, before you hit navigate, look for an option that says routes or potentially options located near the suggested route. Tap on this. In this menu, you'll find a setting labeled Avoid Highways. Simply tap the toggle or checkbox next to this option to activate it. Instantly, Google Maps will recalculate your route, presenting you with an alternative way to get there. Notice how this new route now takes you through local streets and byways, bypassing the main motorways. This is perfect for those days when you want to see the local color, explore charming neighborhoods, or simply enjoy a more relaxed and scenic drive. So next time you're planning a trip, remember to explore those route options and discover the beauty of the road less traveled. All thanks to Google Maps. Happy exploring!